Everyone open the page number 15. Let's start it. Let's start the page number 15. That is activity 12. Subtract the following. There are 4 parts. 2 parts I will do it for you and 2 parts you will do as a homework. So let's start it. So 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. 5 minus 0 is 5. 2 minus 0 is 2. 8 minus 5 is 3. 6 minus 4 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. Next is B part. Mental math, beta. We will do the first mental math. As your mental math syllabus is very back, first we will finish the mental math, then we will start the maths book new chapter. So let's do the second part. Second part C. 6 minus 5 is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. 1 minus 0, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 1 is 6. Everyone complete this 2 part and C and D. Don't tell me if completed set.
4, 5, 6, 8, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6.
C and D part you will do it as homework. A and B part I have done. C and D part you will do as homework.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's start the second question. Second question, A part. Arrange the number and find the difference. A part is 4 crore 32 lakh
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
4 crore 32 lakh 59,361 minus 21 lakh 5 we cannot do. We will take the carry from minus 5 is 6. 5 minus 1 is 4. 3 minus 2 is 1. 9 minus 3 is 6. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1. Then 4. It is 4 crore 11 lakh 16,146. Let's do the second part also. After that you will do in your book. Now the second B part is, this is of international system as it is of 3 numbers period. So 87,459,322 minus 64,502,811. So 87,459,322 minus 64,502,811. Anamika Kumari, mute your phone. Next is 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 8 we cannot do. We will take the carry. It will be 13. 9 will be 8. 13 minus 8 is 5. Then 8 minus 2 is 6. 5 minus 0 is 5. Then 4 minus 5 we cannot do. We will take the carry. It will be 14 minus 5 is equals to 9. 6 minus 4 is equals to 2. 8 minus 6 is equals to 2. Everyone complete these two part, A and B part. C part you have to do as a homework. C part you have to do as a homework. Complete the A and B part of question number 2.
Yes, ma'am.
पार्ट का हुआ बनाया में अपने से करने बोलते हैं तो कर देने करता है खंड कर देगा आ जाइए ना
I'm telling you once again, switch on your cameras, everyone. Let's do the question number 3rd, that is find the missing number in each digits. So there is two color boxes. One is the colored, one is the white. So in the white box we have to write the missing number. Now 3 minus 6 we cannot do, so we will take carry from the 8. So 13 minus 6
Ma'am,
is
C
equals
number
to,
is homework.
yes, C number is homework. 13 minus 6 is equals to 7. Now 7 is left. 8 minus 4 is equals to 3. Now 4 plus 2 is 6. 5 minus 5 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now 9 plus 2 is 11. And here it is 5 because 1 is given carry. Now 15 minus which number is 6? That is 9. And 8 this is 7. 7 minus 6 is equals to 1. Let's do the B part also. 6 minus 3 is equals to 3. 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. 2 minus 0 is equals to 2. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. 14 minus 6 is equals to 8. Then 13 minus 5 is equals to 8. 8 minus 7 minus 4 is equals to 3. 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. Complete the one A and B part. C and D part you will do as a homework. Complete the C, A and B part. C and D part you will do as a homework. Question number 2, A and B part.
Ma'am, page number
Question number
14
3.
also homework. Ma'am, page number 14 also homework.
Beta 14 we have done in the last class.
Yes.
और क्लास में तो इतना मोटा हो रहा है
Completed everyone?
मेरा ही साथ में पढ़ेगा। नहीं रे, यहाँ पे पढ़ेगा, ऐसे सोच रहा।
Anupam, mute your settings.
यहाँ आके पढ़े, ऐसे नहीं सोच रहा। बोल रहा।
Anupam, let's start the question number 4, filling the blanks. See, this is written 86,54,329 minus 30,000. So it is of 10,000, 10,000, which is the digit, that is 3, and which is the digit in 10,000 in minuend. So 5 minus 3 is equals to 2, and remaining digits will be same. So 86 lakh 24,329. In the next part, 1 lakh is here, and we will remaining are the zeros. So the lakh position we will minus 1, that is 4 minus 1 is 3, and remaining digit will be as it is 9 crore 54 lakh 53 lakh, because 4 minus 1 is 3, 65,505. Next is 50 lakh we have to minus, so it is of 10 lakh position. 10 lakh position we will minus 5, so 78 crore 13 lakh 64,554. It will be 70. We have to minus, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5. Now 5 we will minus it from this place, so 11 minus 5 is
Ma'am, 6.
6, then it will be
Ma'am, 6.
77.
Ma'am, what is the answer?
It is 77 crore 60 lakh. D part you will do it as homework. Once again I am telling you, question number 1 A B completed, question number 2 A and B completed, and question number 3 A B I have done completed, and question number 4 A I have done, B you will do at your home as a homework. Complete it fast. I am giving you 5 minutes to complete it. After this, we will start the next activity.
Ma'am, complete. Complete. Ma'am, complete.
Yes, I have listened. Mute your phones. Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Let's start the activity 12. Activity 12 is 13.
And
12 is
13.
completed. Yes, activity 13, that is page number 16. Everyone open the page number 16. 12 we have completed. Now we will start the activity 13. The first question is find the subtrahend in each case. See, first you have to check which place is getting subtract. So see, 3 crore 54 lakh 60,000 and it is 3 crore 54 lakh. So 60,000 is subtracted. So subtrahend will be 60,000. Now it is 9 crore 86 lakh 35,410. 9 crore 86 lakh is as it is. 35 became 30. So it is of 30,000. 62,468,512. So everything in this number 2468512 is replaced by 0. So subtrahend will be this all digits. So 2,468,512. D and E part, can you do it as homework? D and E part, you will do it yourself. A, B,
Yes,
C part,
ma'am.
I have done it for you. And the question number 1.
Ma'am.
Yes, Harsh.
Ma'am. तीन लाइन वाला कॉपी मिला उसको मैम। मैम वो कॉपी मतलब 5 क्लास में है मैम, 3 लाइन वाला कॉपी हमको मिला है।
No, in class 5 there will be a plain white copy for the maths.
मैम मतलब इंग्लिश का बात करें मैम, इंग्लिश का मतलब 3 लाइन वाला कॉपी मिला है।
Ask to your English teacher, beta. Completed the question number 1. Ria, sit properly. Piyush, Ladli, switch on your cameras. Kritika. Let's start the next question, that is question number 2. Question number 2 is subtract the pair of number in column 1 and write the difference in column 2. So this is these are the pairs given, means these are the number like A, B, C, D. This is the column 1 and this is the column 2. Here we will solve it and here we will write the final answer the difference what we have got. Now A, which is the A is 4 crore 29 lakh 13,045. It is 4 crore 29 lakh 13,045 minus D. D is which number? It is 18,666. Now 5 minus 6 we cannot do. We will take the carry from 4. It will be 3 and it will be 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. 13 minus 30. We will take the carry. It will be 9. It will be 2. So 13 minus 6. 7. It is 9 minus 6 is 3. 12 minus 8 is 4. 10 minus 1 is 9. 8 minus 0, 8, 2, 4. So it is 4 crore 28 lakh 94,379. So we will write here 4 crore 28 lakh 94,379. Write it. The second part is C minus B. What is the C? C is 77 crore 42 lakh 31,000 397 minus B. Now, what is the B number? B number is 38 lakh 46,505. Seven minus 5 is 2. 9 minus 0 is 9. 13 minus 5 is, it is 10. 13 minus 5 is 8. 10 minus 6 is 4. Now it is 3. 3 minus 4 we cannot do. We will take the carry. 13 minus 4 is 9. It is 1. 11 minus 8 is 3. It is 3. 13 minus 8. Now it is 6. Everyone written the numbers? It is 7 as it is. So second will be 77 lakh 3,094 77 crore 3 lakh 94,892. Third and fourth part you have to do as a homework.
sound is coming.
Done everyone? Let's start the third question, that is round off numbers to the nearest given values and compare the difference. Now next is, see, this is 419, the nearest tens will be, it will be 420. This is 241, so nearest tens it will be 240. Now 9 minus 1 is 8, 11 minus 4 is 7, 3 minus 2 is 1, 0, 12 minus 4 is 8, and it is 4, 3 minus 2 is 1. Now 178 and 180. So 180 minus 178 is equals to 2. First you have to subtract the actual number. After this, round off to the nearest tens. Then compare these two, which one is bigger, that is 180 is bigger. 180 minus 178, that is 2.
I'm confused.
हाँ का है
Next is nearest 100. See, 3103, it will be 3100. 871, it will be 900. Now 3 minus 1 is 2. 10 minus 7 is 3. It is 0. It is 2. 10 minus 8 is 2. Now 0, 0, 11 minus 3 is 2, and it is 2. So this number is bigger. So 2232 minus 2200, that is 32. C part you will do it as homework. Once again I'm showing you all the question, write it.
स्कूल में छवा पढ़ा है रहला नहीं तो हम छवा न को तो हम ही पढ़ रहा है मोबाइल में हम ले लाइन दे लिए थे बुलाई बुलाई गेलिए तब हमें कह दो भाई कि इस आए हलो घर में पढ़ावे लेकिन छवे तो हम फोटो कह दे हम यहाँ तो तो बाप पढ़ रहा हाजरी बनाना जरूरी रहेला समझली चलो कर देलिए अटेंडेंस तक नहीं है नहीं बनता लग रहा क्लास नहीं करता
मैम मैम
Yes.
Ma'am, how 32, ma'am? We have to minus the 2232 by 2230. Then the answer will be 2 now.
No, it is 2200 beta, and it is 2232.
Ma'am,
Complete. Yes, complete all the questions.
ma'am, question number 2 I have didn't understand.
Question number 2. See, everyone, the student who have not understood, look at this. See, A, B, C, D, these 4 numbers are given.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, the first part is A minus D. This number we have to minus this number. From the A, we have to minus D. So, which is the A number? Like 4,29,13,045 minus 18,666. So, this number first we will write, then we will write the D number. Then we have to subtract it. In the same way, the second part is C minus B, which is the C number, that is 77 crore 42 lakhs 31,397. So we have written here 77 crore 42 lakh 31,397. We have to minus the B part, that is B part is this 38 lakh 46,505. 38 lakh 46,505. We have subtracted this. Understood? Understood everyone the question number 2? Now I'm telling you about the homework. Listen carefully everyone. Question activity 12, question number 1, C and D you have to do as a homework. Question number 2, C part you have to do as a homework. Question number 3, A and B part you have to do as a homework. Question number 4, B part you have to do as a homework from activity 12. Activity 13, A, B, C part I have done. D and E part you have to do as a homework. Question number 2, 3 and 4 part you have to do as a homework. Question number 3, C part you have to do as a homework. Now complete the activity 13 fast. Everyone complete the activity 13.
भाग गया रितेश हाय प्रियांशु कॉपी से
Yes.
कॉपी से वेरी गुड हम लोग को कॉपी से कब मिलेगा
What copy?
फोटो भेज देंगे व्हाट्सएप में।
Raviz Reza, mute your phone. Completed everyone?
Ma'am, completed.
One by one, show me your book. Show me your book, the student who have completed. Let me check.